Yun. Hello friends! Live ulit tayo ngayon. Dito tayo sa Cornice. Cornice Jeddah. Yan. Walang tao dito, kami lang. Yan si Kuya.
Live ulit tayo ngayon. Dito kami sa Cornice.
Yan. Kita mo yan? Tindi. Yung bisikleta niya, nakarating yung balad. Oh, galing kaming balad niyan. Yan. Sarap pagmasyanin dyan. Kaway-kaway guys. Yang Kempinski, hindi pa tapos yan. Kempinski Sumo Hotel. Ang magawa sa buhay. Tambay muna kami dito. Upo muna, upo. Mag-relax. Sarap dito, malamig. Kuya, relax na relax yan, matindi yan. Taga Laguna yan, no? Lupit niya. Yan, service ko. Karating kami yung balad. Yan. Yan. Pero mas matindi yung kay Kuya. Kay Kuya Martin ang matibay. Kita mo, loaded oh. Loaded yan sa gamit. Tindi. Loaded yung kanya. Dalawa ilaw sa harap, dalawa ilaw sa likod. Tapos sa akin, tama, isang ilaw lang sa harap, dalawa sa likod. Matindi yan. Tambay muna tayo sa Jeddah, Cornice. Yan, Kuya, kita yan? Mexico yan, Mexico. Hello guys. Tambay tayo dito, tambay. We'll stay here like 5 minutes. It's okay. No problem. Because today day off, so we need to relax, you know. Not only working up till die. Just kidding. Just kidding guys. Just stay healthy, you know. This is the important of our life. Healthy. Healthy and enjoy. So guys, you want to be healthy? Go ride cycle. Ano kuya? Kena?
Nakikita ko nga yan, post mo, post mo to, di ba?
Post ko yan.
Malimit ko makita yan sa ano.
Pero, hindi yun live. Video lang. Ito live talaga to. And live talaga. Hello friends, if you are near in our place now, come on. We'll meet here. So you can hanging here, you know. Sometimes enjoy your life, you know. Our life is very short. We don't know tomorrow what is that. Tomorrow will be tomorrow. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.